How to remove course from your wish list on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove it. First open your browser, and once you're here, all you need to do just click on this one here in top corner, click on it, and then just select any course you want, like this one. And if you want to remove it, just click this icon, and that's it. After that, all you need to do just go back, and now let's make sure click on it, and as you see it, course have been removed. And that's it, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.